Hello everyone, welcome back to your very own YouTube channel, Dr. Nikita's Rad Synapse, and this is Dr. Nikita here, your mentor, educator and friend, and this is M3 with N3. So in our morning motivation, I'm going to read out from this ebook and then we have a mnemonic in toxicology. So stay tuned till the end. So in the morning motivation, it says that you and I have to get ourselves ready to change. You and I have to become our own counselors and master our own lives. The belief that you and I must have if we are going to create long-term change is that we are responsible for our own change. No one else, not anyone else. So we are responsible for the change, not anyone else. In fact, there are 3 specific beliefs about responsibility that a person must have if they are going to create a long-term change. What are these 3 beliefs? The first belief is that something must change, not that it should change. So the first belief is that something must change, not should or not it could. So it's only when something becomes a must that we begin the process of truly doing what's necessary to shift the quality of our lives. The author says, I often hear people say, this weight should come off, my relationships should be better. But this does not work. It has to be must change and not should change. So the first belief is that something must change. The second is that we must not only believe that things must change, but we must believe I must change it. So the first is that something must change, and the second is that I must change it. We must see ourselves as the source of the change. Otherwise, we'll always be looking for someone else to make the changes for us. And we'll always have someone else to blame when it does not work out. We must be the source of our change if our change is going to last. So please don't rely on someone else to bring the change in your life. If you like the change, then you'll be thankful to that person. But if not, you will blame that person forever. For example, we see this so often when we have our parents, our elders, bringing the change in our life, taking decisions for us. We tend to blame them if we do not like that decision later on. So take the responsibility of your life. So something must change and I must change it. I am the source of that change. The third belief is that I can change it. So without believing that it's possible for us to change, as we stand no chance of carrying through on our desires. So the third belief is that I can change it, right? So without these 3 core beliefs, that is something must change, I must change it, and I can change it, I can assure you that any change you make stands a good chance of being only temporary. So please don't misunderstand me. It's always smart to get a great coach, someone who's already produced these results, to support you in taking the proper steps to conquer your phobia or lose weight. But in the end, you have to be the source of your change. So basically, our today's learning is that we have to be the source of our change. Something must change, I must change it, and I can change it. So you are the best person who can be the best counselor of your life, and you are the master of your life. You create your own destiny. So that's about morning motivation. Now let's dive into our today's mnemonic. So the today's mnemonic is about toxicology. The question is, which of the following is known as Fox glove? Is it aconite, conium maculatum, digitalis, or calotropis? So this is a frequently asked question, the alternative names of the plant toxins in toxicology. So remember that foxglove is another name for digitalis. How to remember it is that when you say foxglove, so glove we wear in the hand, that is in the digits, right? So digits, digitalis is glove, that is foxglove or lady's glove as it is called. So I have taken a session on toxicology entire course on toxicology, cheat codes and mnemonics. Please make the best of it. It's there on Unacademy. I'm sharing the link in the description. Also, there's a free session on toxicology which I've taken. It will clear many of your concepts and help you remember many difficult things in toxicology. So make sure you watch that free session as well. And if you are an Unacademy subscriber, you can watch the entire dedicated course on toxicology which covers entire toxicology in approximately 9 hours. So that's all for today in M3 with N3. Goodbye, take care. I'll see you in my next one. Keep studying, keep revising, and keep winning.